Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 45. Given that M is a matrix where X is prime and 7 is less than or equals to X, which is less than or equals to 13, and R is also a set where Y is a multiple of 3 and 6 is less than Y, which is less than or equals to 15. Now we're asked to find M union R. M union R. Now looking at this, the first statement says M is a what? Is a set. So now let's look at the constituents or the components of M, where X is prime and 7 is less than or equals to X, which is less than or equal to 13. Now looking at this, it simply means that what M is a set containing prime numbers, that is numbers that has only two factors, that is which are numbers that are divisible by themselves and 1, and that this number is not below 7 and also is not greater than 13. So the first number here will be 7, comma, the next prime number is 11, comma, then the next is 13. Now these numbers are what? Are prime numbers, and you can see it is not below 7 and it is not above 13. Now let's look at R. R is a set having numbers which are multiple of 3, and that this number is not what? Is not below 6 and is not 6. The number are not below 6 and is not 6, and also are not above 15 but can be equal to 15. So the first, now since it is not equal to 6 and is not below 6, the first we'll have is what? 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. Then the next will be 12, which is a multiple of 3, and the next will be 15, since they say it is either equal to 15 or below 15. So now M union R simply refers to the what? Constituents of M and the constituents of R added together. So we'll have 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15. And looking at this is option C. So option C is the correct answer. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.